is Jungle Island, home to some of the rarest and most incredible animals in the world. This year, they also welcomed 2 new amenities, Neon Splash and Superfly. These I have are macaws. They are very smart. They know how to say different things and they live for very, very long. And they're just nature's wonder. Look at these colors. They're so beautiful. It's time to go to the flight school. So this is the condor that I'm touching. He's got a very, very nice neck. It says that if you touch his neck, it will bring you very good luck. So a lot of celebrities like Beyonce and Shakira, well now me, have touched this really great neck.